Okay, friends. Wait, it's here. We're starting. Okay, I got the circle of time. Hold on. All right. So we got so many notes that you're back by popular demand. We thought that since we had everybody here, I'm really into the crafts these days. So we are going to make a safety barometer. Dun, dun, dun. And guess who else wants to be here because she misses everybody? It's Claire. So, wait, okay. So, I said to Claire, we are getting a lot of notes on the thing about doing an activity, an additional activity for the day, a bonus. Hi, Jessica. We thought we would do a safety barometer activity for you. And since we're now doing the homeschool, we have all the things. Hi, Daliana. How are you? So we are going to do a safety barometer. So now, a safety barometer is something that we have inside. We can explain to our kids. I'm going to put Claire right. Oh, but you're not in the view. All right. Say goodbye, Claire. We love you. We miss you. All right. Love you. Okay, bye. So a safety barometer is something we also have on the inside. It's kind of like our guiding voice that tells us when something is safe or unsafe, or lets us know that something doesn't feel quite right. And we may need to go talk to one of those grown-up buddies in our trusted triangle. But a safety barometer is a really good visual of what we want kids to start to internalize. And again, it's one of those activities that you can do at home. And barometer, parents, it's a science word. Add it to the curriculum. So, safety barometer. What you could do it on a piece of paper, but you could get one of the beautiful white paper plates, have the kids get some crayons and color it in. So there's those three main colors. Oh, terrible. Three colors that we, turn to all the time, right? Red, yellow, red, yellow, green. So we've got that green. If something is safe, totally safe, I'm coloring it in. Coloring. And then we've got some of the red. If we don't feel so safe, we got the red. I'm doing it a la Kennedy and Hudson. Yellow or orange. All right. So Z, wow, that's, hopefully you will draw it a little bit nicer. Oh, that's terrible. Let me go get another plate. Some straight lines for you, right? So we'll do some straight lines. So again, you could do this in advance and let the kids color it in and talk about when something feels unsafe or different situations that might come up. By the way, you could also do this with feelings, because sometimes it's hard to identify when you're feeling some sort of way. I know that one of the things that we do a lot in this house now is watch Daniel Tiger, who we love. And he sings a song that Kennedy sings all the time, which is, when you're feeling mad and you want to roar, take a deep breath and count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And she can regulate herself and calm down. And she now knows when she is upset or feeling some sort of way that she has to ask for some time. And that's okay. And so you can use this for that too. Because again, being able to identify feelings is a big and important thing for kids to be able to do. And then how to calm down, or to kind of help them process some of the things that are going on. Because sometimes I might be nervous, but I'm excited about some of the things that are happening. Sorry, I want to make sure that my safety barometer and the colors are a little bit nicer than what I had done before. So again, you can do this in advance. You can line the barometer. You could do it in any color that they like. Let them pick it, have some autonomy, right? So there we go. We've got all of our different colors and then what they represent, whether something feels safe, unsafe, or not quite sure, right? The things that you also need is a brad. That's one of these little fun things. And then some construction paper. I will use some black just to cut a little arrow from it with my handy dandy. And again, depending upon how old your kiddos are, they can use the scissors. That is a fine motor skill, gross motor, things to be working on. You know, we're just making sure everyone is hitting all the benchmarks now that we're doing all of our own at-home education. Those are important things. So here's our little arrow, right? By the way, you can also make a clock too if you're working on some of the different things, right? So we just put our little arrow, take our brad, stick it through the arrow, right like that. Make a hole in our plate in the center. I think you should do this, parents. There we go. Right there. Stick the brad through. On the back, just bend it down, right? Now we have our safety barometer. So again, you can use this in any situation. This is one of the downloads that we have available from our parent pack. Oops, there we go. So green is a safe situation. We feel good about it. We feel fine. Continue to do what you're doing. Be happy. Yellow is, I'm not quite sure. Maybe I'm going to go talk to a grown-up buddy. I'm a little unsure about what's going on. And then red is an unsafe situation, and you immediately go to a grown-up buddy. But again, you can do this with feelings. You can do this with anything in the house now. And you know, by the way, we're all trying to figure out schedules. I'm still not on a schedule with the kids yet, and making sure that things are happening the way that they're supposed to. But you can even do time, right? Where we're on, you know, maybe you don't have colors, maybe you have things that are happening, and maybe it's quiet book time, quiet iPad time, or maybe it's snack time or independent play time, and you can move the arrow to help those things that you're doing at home or school in your homeschool. But again, this is something that is easy to do, that they can do themselves. You can help them with the little hole punch. Easy to put together. And again, one of those things that you can put prominently or keep it with them. We're going to do another activity during the week with our safety stop sign. Super easy. You can, again, cut it out of a piece of something a little bit stronger, like tag board. So it's like a little bit more strong. You can put a popsicle stick on it. Anytime they feel unsafe, stop, that's not safe. And then what can they do to stay safe in any given situation? So again, these are the kind of things I wanted to just do, like a little bonus, since I am in the crafting frame of mind, and had these things in front of me and thought, let's just do this real quick as one of the things that we wanted to show you guys, but also tell us some of the things that might be helpful to you. Is it activities for home? What is it? What do you want? What should we do? We want to make this time about what's best for you and what will help keep everybody safe and sane while we're navigating this time. So again, here's your little safety barometer. Could be a feelings barometer, could be a schedule, could be anything. But here you go, easy to make. I wanted you to just have a little extra bonus fun activity. And again, we're here. We love you. See you soon, guys. Let us know what you want to see, hear, and do. Adios. See you later. Bye.